Today I will be showing you guys how to hook up a wiring kit for any fog light. Generally, all fog lights wiring kits are the same setup as any basic car. So, as in your fog light package, you should have fog light kit, wiring kit, 2 fog lamps, and some mounting brackets and screws. So, I'll be explaining to you how to wire all these fog lamp wirings and to hook them up properly. So after you have removed off your bumpers and mounted your fog lights onto the car, then you will open up your wiring kit. In your wiring kit you should have the wiring harnesses, extension, switch, relay and fuse, alright, so let's get started. So as you lay out your wiring kit, you should have these two. These are to hook up to your fog lamps. There's a female plug and a male plug, and they should just fit fine. Now on one end you will have a black wire, which is the negative wire, and you will ground this to the frame of the car. Then you have this yellow wire. This wire will be the most difficult to get through. You will have to insert this through the firewall. On the other end of the wiring kit, you will have the relay, the fuse box, and a red wire. For the red wire, you will hook this up into any type of power source or to the battery terminal. For your relay, you can mount this onto any part of your frame in between the bumpers. Once you have all that hooked up, then from the inside of your car, you will locate the place to insert your switch. After you do that, you will plug the one with the green adapter into the switch. On the other end, you will have a ground wire. Again, ground this to the car frame. Then you will have the yellow wire, which should connect to the other yellow wire that you have inserted through the firewall. Now, if the yellow wires cannot be reached, that's why we provide extension to insert in between. And last, your ignition wire. Now, since this is a universal wiring kit, this plug that we provide may or may not fit. So if it does not fit, simply cut it off, splice the wires, and you have 2 options here. Tap it into the ignition plugs, or tap it to a power source. Now, if you tap this into a power source, then every time you turn off your car, your fog light might stay on if you forget to turn it off from the switch. But if you have this tapped into the ignition plugs, then every time you turn off your car, your fog lights will be off as well. So you will not have to worry about forgetting to turn off the fog lights by the switch. Now for demonstration, to show you that everything is hooked up properly, now I have the two red wires hooked up to a power supply to positive. Next off, I have a negative to ground the black wires. And here's your switch. On, off. Thanks for watching.